In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a page in Systemi.io. Adding a video to your funnel page is a great way to explain your offer, build trust, and boost conversions, and the process only takes a minute. First, open the funnel page you want to work on and click Edit Page. This takes you into the visual page builder where you can see your layout and make real-time changes. If the page has multiple sections, no problem. You can add a video to any section or column you like. On the left side of the builder, you'll see the Elements panel. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the video element. It's designed to work with popular platforms, so you don't need to mess with custom code. Drag the video element onto your page and drop it exactly where you want it to appear. As you move it around, look for the highlighted drop zones to help you place it above, below, or inside a column. If you're building for mobile viewers, consider placing it near the top of the section so it's easy to see without a lot of scrolling. Next, click the video element to open its settings. In the URL field, paste the link to your video from YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported host. Make sure you copy the full public URL so your visitors can play it without issues. If you recently changed the video's privacy settings, double check that it's set to be viewable outside of your account. While you're in the settings, adjust the size and alignment so the video fits your design. A centered alignment usually looks clean and keeps the focus on your message. If your page uses a multi-column layout, you can set the width so the video doesn't overwhelm nearby text. Keeping the aspect ratio consistent with your source video helps avoid black bars or awkward cropping. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. Saving often is a good habit, especially if you're refining copy or layout around the video. Once saved, your visitors will see the embedded video right where you placed it ready to play. That's all it takes to add a video to a page in Systemi.io. Follow these steps anytime you want to showcase a testimonial, demo, or quick explainer, and keep your message clear, concise, and engaging.